Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your go-to platform for all things finance and real estate. We're here to provide you with expert advice, tips, and insights into the world of finance, real estate, and wealth creation. Our mission is to empower you with knowledge that can help you make informed financial decisions and build a secure future. Today's topic is of significant importance: best practices for creating a long-term financial plan. A well-crafted financial plan is not just a roadmap to your financial future, but also a safety net. It's about understanding your financial goals, knowing where you are today, and planning how to get where you want to be tomorrow. It's about taking control of your financial life, navigating the uncertainties, and securing a comfortable future for yourself and your loved ones. Today, we'll guide you through the process of creating a solid financial plan that can secure your financial future. First things first, let's demystify financial planning. When we talk about financial planning, we're referring to a comprehensive evaluation of an individual's current and future financial state. It's the process of setting, planning, achieving, and reviewing your life goals through the proper management of your finances. Imagine financial planning as a roadmap, a map that guides you through your financial journey, helping you navigate through the complexities of personal finance and leading you to your desired destination, your long-term financial goals. Now, why is financial planning so important? Well, it's quite simple. Without a plan, we're essentially sailing a ship without a compass. We wouldn't know where we're heading or how to get there. Financial planning provides that compass. It gives us a clear direction and helps us stay focused and organized in achieving our financial goals. But it's not just about reaching goals. Financial planning also plays a critical role in risk management. It helps us prepare for life's uncertainties. Whether it's a sudden loss of income, an unexpected expense, or a downturn in the market, a well-thought-out financial plan can provide a safety net, ensuring we're not caught off guard when the unexpected occurs. Moreover, financial planning is key to effective savings and investment. It helps us determine how much we need to save and how to invest wisely to maximize returns. It guides us in making informed decisions, preventing us from taking unnecessary risks or making impulsive financial moves. All in all, the importance of financial planning cannot be overstated. It's not just about money. It's about enabling us to live the life we desire, providing us with financial security, and giving us peace of mind. Understanding the concept and role of financial planning is the first step to creating a successful long-term financial plan. Now that we've understood what financial planning is, it's time to dive into the steps to creating a long-term financial plan. Firstly, setting your financial goals is an essential step. Think about what you want your financial future to look like. Do you want to retire early, buy a house, travel the world? These goals will shape your financial plan. Remember, it's important to be specific with your goals. Instead of saying, "I want to save money," say, "I want to save $50,000 for a down payment on a house in 5 years." This specificity will help you measure your progress and stay motivated. The next step is understanding your financial status. This involves taking a deep dive into your financial situation. Look at your income, your expenses, your savings, and your debts. This will give you a clear picture of where you stand financially. It's like trying to navigate a city. You can't get to your destination if you don't know your starting point. Once you have a clear picture of your financial status, you can start creating a budget. This is a roadmap for your spending. It helps you allocate your income towards your expenses, savings, and investments. Your budget should be realistic and flexible. It should account for your needs and wants, but also give you room to save and invest for your future. The fourth step is planning for savings. Decide on a portion of your income that you want to save each month. This could be anywhere from 10 to 50% depending on your income and expenses. Remember, it's not about how much you save, but how consistently you do it. Even small amounts can add up over time. Next, consider your investments. Investing is a powerful tool that can help you reach your financial goals faster. There are numerous investment options available, from stocks and bonds to real estate and mutual funds. Do your research and choose the ones that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Insurance is another critical aspect of financial planning. It provides a safety net for unexpected life events like illness, disability, or loss of income. There are various types of insurance, such as health, life, and disability insurance. Choose the ones that best suit your needs and financial situation. Finally, regularly review and adjust your financial plan. Your financial situation and goals may change over time, and your plan should reflect these changes. Regular reviews will help you stay on track and make necessary adjustments. So, to recap, creating a long-term financial plan involves setting financial goals, understanding your financial status, creating a budget, planning for savings, investing, and insurance, and regularly reviewing and adjusting the plan. Remember, creating a financial plan requires careful consideration and a good understanding of your financial situation and goals. Remember, this isn't a one-size-fits-all process. Every individual's financial situation and goals are unique, and so should be their financial plan. Be patient, stay committed, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. Creating a financial plan is one thing, but making it successful is another. Now that we've covered the steps to creating a long-term financial plan, let's dive into some key tips that can turn your plan from merely existing to flourishing. Tip number 1, start early. There's a saying in the financial world, the best time to start saving was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow, thanks to the power of compound interest. So whether you're in your 20s or your 50s, now is the time to start planning. Tip number 2, be consistent. Financial planning isn't a one-time event. It's a continuous process that requires regular review and adjustment. Make it a habit to check your financial plan regularly and make adjustments as necessary. This could mean increasing your savings rate, adjusting your investment strategy, or reevaluating your retirement goals. Tip number 3, seek professional advice. While it's possible to create a financial plan on your own, seeking advice from a certified financial planner can be incredibly beneficial. These professionals can provide insight and advice that you may not have considered and can help you navigate complex financial situations. Tip number 4, use technology to your advantage. There are numerous apps and online tools available that can help you track your spending, monitor your investments, and stay on top of your financial goals. These tools can provide a visual representation of your financial progress, which can be a powerful motivator. Last but not least, tip number 5, adopt a disciplined approach to spending and saving. This means living within your means, avoiding unnecessary debt, and prioritizing savings and investments. It's not always easy, but the rewards are well worth the effort. So there you have it, 5 tips that can help you make your financial plan a success. Remember, financial planning is a journey, not a destination. It requires patience, discipline, and a commitment to your financial health. With these tips, you can increase the chances of your financial plan being successful. That brings us to the end of our discussion on the best practices for creating a long-term financial plan. We've journeyed together, understanding the essence of financial planning and how it can steer our future towards financial stability. We've explored the steps to creating a robust plan, considering both our current financial status and our aspirations. And we've delved into the tips that can help us succeed in this venture. From setting realistic goals to being disciplined and consistent, the importance of financial planning cannot be overstated. It's the compass that guides us through the financial landscape, helping us make informed decisions and avoid unnecessary pitfalls. It's the key that unlocks the door to financial freedom and prosperity. So let's make the most of these insights and put them into practice. Let's take control of our financial future and carve a path towards financial security and success. Remember to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more insightful videos on finance and real estate. Until next time, keep planning, keep saving, and keep investing.